Well, it's been hard to ignore all the smoke in our area this week from those Canadian wildfires. While the hazy skies are gone for now, one question remains. Tonight, News 8's Cesar Sanchez investigates how does all of this impact the air filters in our homes.
Wildfires impacting our neighbors to the north has left its mark around the Quad Cities.
This is fairly historic. I have been in this position since 1999, and we occasionally see levels as high as we're seeing now, but they're generally very short term and usually associated with fireworks or a local fire.
But with a little help from Mother Nature,
Rain coming through the smoke will clean it out significantly.
leaving us with the question, what should homeowners do next?
What becomes really important is making sure that the filters in our house are being changed out.
According to the Crawford Company, air filters need to be changed monthly to every 3 months depending on the size of it. But that smoke is having your equipment working harder than usual.
Indoor air quality is important to the comfort in your home. And when we have outdoor air quality like we're seeing right now, that directly impacts what's going on in your house.
But how does one know when it's time to change your air filter? According to Snyder, one should inspect their filter for discoloration or any smells in the house that could lead to changing your air filter.
Even though you're changing the filter, that's kind of step one. Step two is making sure that somebody is putting regular eyes on your equipment, whether it's a service technician or whether you're taking care of your own maintenance. It's important to stay on top of maintenance at this time of year and with the conditions that we've been dealing with.
Staying on top of maintenance to improve the quality of life inside your home.
You have to give your HVAC equipment that regular love and attention that you would to any other mechanical system in your home or in your life, so that it takes care of you when it's time to take care of you.
In Rock Island, Cesar Sanchez, WQAD News 8.
Now, the Iowa Department of Natural Resources lifted its air quality advisory today. Andrew Snyder recommends all homeowners check on those air filters or contact their HVAC contractor to help out.